welcome to our YouTube channel IQ Booster. Hope so you all are well. So today's our session is regarding some of the GK questions which will be helpful in the competitive exams such as UPSC, NDA or CDS. Okay. First question: which of the following is a large blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart? Okay. So the option A is vein, artery, capillary and nerves. Okay. So the right option is artery. Move to the second question. Which of the following is not a member of vitamin B complex? Okay. Which of the following is not a member of vitamin B complex? The options are thiamine, riboflavin, folic acid and ascorbic acid. So from this of the four options, option B, riboflavin is the right answer. Third question: fungi are plants that lack option A, oxygen, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, none of this. Okay, so from these four options, option C, chlorophyll is a right answer. Okay, such as we know that fungi did not pursue any kind of photosynthesis due to lack of the chlorophyll pigment in them. Okay, so we will move to the fourth question. What makes a reptile a reptile? Okay, what makes an a reptile a reptile? Option A, cold blooded, B, warm blooded, C, non hearing and D, egg laying. Okay, so option A is cold blooded, option B is warm blooded and C, non hearing and the D is egg laying. So the right option is D, egg laying. So we will move to the next question. Which blood vessels have the smallest diameter? Option A, capillaries, B, arterioles, C, venules and D, lymphatic. Okay, so the right answer is option A, capillaries. Question number 6. Which of the following is an airborne disease? Okay. The options are measles, typhoid, pink eye, and none of the above. From this, the right option is A, measles. Question number 7. Which is an communicable disease? Communicable disease. Okay. The options are A, asthma, B, scurvy, C, measles, and D, diabetes. Okay. So the right option is measles. Okay, so we will move to the question number 8. Which organ of the body produces the fluid known as bile? Okay, the option A is liver, B is pancreas, C is gallbladder and D is kidney. Okay, so the organ which produces the bile juice is the liver, and the where bile juice is stored, the part or the organ is known as a gallbladder. Okay, don't get confused. The organ which produces fluid is liver, and where it is stored it is known as a gallbladder. Okay, so question number 9. Which of the following hormone is a steroid hormone? Okay, option A, estrogen, B, glucagon, C, insulin and oxytocin. Okay, so right option which is steroid hormone is estrogen. Okay, option A is the right answer. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? Okay, it means which function is not done by the liver from the following options. Okay, option A is regulation of blood sugar, enzyme activation, detoxification and reproduction. Okay, so the option D, reproduction is not done by the liver. Okay guys, so let's move to the question number 11. Greatest number of sweat glands are present in which part of the human body? Option A, forehead, B, forearm, C, palm of the hand and D, back. Okay, so from these four options the right answer is option C, palm of the hand. Okay, question number 12 is vaccination was started by. Firstly, the vaccination was started by option A, Jonas E. Salk, B, Paul Muller, C, Edward Jenner, D. Robert Frost. So the right option is answer is option C, which is Edward Jenner. Question number 13. Proteins are made up of option A sugars, B amino acids, C fatty acids, and D nucleic acids. So from these four options, option B amino acid is an right answer. Question number 14. Mention the source of liver, milk, egg yolk, fish liver oil. Option A vitamin A, B vitamin B2, C vitamin D, and the option D vitamin C. From these four options, the right answer is option C vitamin D. Okay, so we'll move to the question number 15. Which of the following has the highest protein content per gram? Option A groundnut, B soybean, C apple, and D wheat. From these four options, option B soybean consists more protein according to this groundnut, apple, and wheat. As per information, soybean consists of 16.9 gram of protein and fat of 8.1 gram and fiber of 8.1 gram again. So the question number 16 is heart is made up of option A non-striated muscle, B cardiac muscle, C adipose tissue, and D striated muscle. So from this of the four options, option B cardiac muscle is the right answer, as the heart function is to pump the blood throughout the body, and it is a organ which is made of group of tissues that work together to perform a specific function, that is pumping of the blood. Okay, so option B cardiac muscle is the right answer. So we will move to the next question. Question number 17. Hargobind Khurana had research on option A synthesis of simple DNA, B understanding the genetic code, C reduction of mutation, and D synthesis of RNA from bacterial cell. So the right answer is the synthesis of RNA from bacterial cell, which is option D. We will move to the question number 18. Name the coronavirus that kills human. Okay, option A AIDS, B FAIDS, option C SARS, and option D HIV. So the right option is option C SARS, SARS, which full form is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus. Okay, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus. Question number 19. In which part of the body digestion of protein starts? Okay, option A mouth, option B stomach, option C duodenum, and option D intestine. So the right option is option B stomach, where the stomach by releasing some of the acids, it breaks down the food material and converts into proteins and amino acids, which will be in the simplest form. It means it converts the complex form into the simple form. Okay, so right answer is the B. Question number 20. Name the acid that is secreted in stomach. Option A HCl, B H2SO4, C H2CO3, and D HNO3. So the option A HCl is the right answer. So we will move to the question number 21. Which of the following have alpha-keratin as protein? First of all, I would like to tell you some of the information about the alpha-keratin protein. It is a type of keratin protein which is found in the vertebrates. This protein is primary components in the body parts such as hairs, horns, claws, nails, and epidermis layer of the skin. It is made up of amino acid which forms the repeating secondary structure. So from the four option D wool is the right answer. So we will move to the question number 22. Why the white blood corpuscles are popularly called soldiers of the body? Option A, march at a regular pace, appear uniform, defend the body, and disciplined. From these four options, option C is the right answer, which is defend the body. Question number 23. Hepatitis is a general term for a disease that is caused by option A, viruses, option B, bacteria, option C, parasites, and the option D, all of the above. So from these four options, option A, viruses, is the right answer. Question number 24. Which among the following is not an example of carbohydrate? Option A, maltose, option B, fructose, option C, glycogen, option C, glycine. So the correct answer is option D, glycine. Question number 25. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Hemoglobin is to skin, vitamin C is to scurvy, carbohydrate is to potato, fat is to butter. The right option from these four options is option A. Hemoglobin is to skin. Okay, hope so you all like this session.